Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing what we're about to go and see what the Ethereum price action will be doing right now, since we're creating a huge pattern right now on the one and only candles, like you can see in front of your screen. And on today's video I will be discussing the price targets where we could be heading towards if we're either going to break up or down from this specific pattern right now here. As well, I'm going to talk about some other things here. I will be talking about critical 4-hour resistance right now, and this resistance line comes together with resistance that Ethereum already reached around April 2021 here. So as well, a lot of things that we will be discussing on today's video as well. We will be going over the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation right now, breaking down of this ascending triangle. So we are going to go over a lot of price targets where we are right now going to head towards most likely. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, and if you want to be finding out about where Ethereum is right now heading towards, make sure to smash up the like first of all here. And as well, guys, you have to know it, the more people that are going to smash up the likes right now here, the more viral cryptocurrency videos will be going here. And the more viral cryptocurrency videos will be going, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. And that is, of course, our end goal here on the channel. So with that out of the way, let me start off right away with discussing the Ethereum price action. So right now we are seeing a very significant resistance line on the top side, of course, getting formed here with several touch points. So approximately 4, 5, 6 touch points over here we're getting created on the specific channel, and you can even call this 3 touch points, of course, as well. But we are at least seeing enough significance to call this a very important resistance line. So as well, you are seeing right now upper slope support line with as well several touch points, like you can see right now in front of your screen. This is as well having more than 3 touch points, so we could be as well call this a very important and very significant support line. So right now, and these support and resistance lines are going to meet each other, and this is of course resulting in an apex getting reached on Ethereum, and this will be of course in the end result in a very significant move either towards the upside or towards the downside. So guys, right now in today's video I will be talking about what is necessarily to trade this. Of course, if you want to be taking a trade, you could be first of all sign up with Bybit right now in the link in the description. If you're going to sign up with Bybit, you will be getting a $3,000 deposit bonus, so make sure to sign up your account already. Make sure to set it up here. You could be depositing some funds, after that withdraw it. But definitely Ethereum is right now providing us once again huge opportunities in the market. We could be opening a massive position on Ethereum, and I will be trading this breakout as well. So guys, if you want to be staying up to date about this next breakout that we are about to get making here, make sure to first of all follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC, because I have been not seeing a lot of significance recently in these patterns, but right now we are once again see a lot of significance getting added on such a significant pattern. So I will be opening a position on a breakout either towards the upside or towards the downside. So what will be necessarily for me to open a position? So first of all, if you don't know, if you don't want to be paying so much attention towards it, you can just follow us on Twitter and keep the bell notification ringed over there, so you will be just getting a notification. But for me, I will be of course monitoring the chart 24/7, at least not 24/7. I will be trying to do so, but of course I have to go to sleep as well. But and we're going to see a breakout. I will be opening a long position, of course, if we're seeing Ethereum closing its 1 hour candle above this resistance line, and on the retest I will be opening my position. After that, of course, we could be seeing a very severe increasement towards the price target that I will be right now revealing. So the price target for Ethereum, if we're going to see a breakout, will be bringing us towards the 41.80 K here. So sorry, $4,180. So this level as well comes together with daily resistance. This is of course the highest daily candle close on Ethereum, and this is also a reason for me to take profits over there if we're going to go towards that level. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on that here. So that is our target if we're going to see a breakout towards the upside as well. If I'm going to copy this candle right now, and if we're going to see a breakdown of this Ethereum pattern, we could be seeing Ethereum retrace a little bit towards the downside. And guys, the reason why I will be trading this here is because this is going to be an approximately 5% move here. I will be taking it with a 10 to 20x leverage, and this is going to be meaning that I can literally make a 100% gain in my portfolio if I catch this move either towards the upside or towards the downside. So yeah, definitely looking like a huge opportunity right now in the market. Definitely I will be trying to raise the awareness to you guys right now out there, so make sure to check this out here. To be very honest, Where do I expect to see the market heading towards? Of course, it all depends right now on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin keeps surging towards the upside, we are for sure going to see another leg up getting created here. If Bitcoin fails to hold right now in the 52k range, we are of course as well going to see a drop off for Ethereum getting created here. But right now as well, I do think that Ethereum is losing a little bit of strength, and I will be going back into the Ethereum compared to US dollar chart. But before going in towards that, I want to be discussing the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. So Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, we have been seeing an ascending triangle getting created here. This ascending triangle, of course, broke towards the downside with a price target of an approximately 4% drop off, and you can see right now that we are continuing our way down here. So I do think that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin could still lose another 2% in its valuation. It was also we have been as well see a very severe spike towards the upside on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, and it looks to be that we have been cooling off here for the last, let's say, 5 days here right now on this chart. So definitely very interesting what we're seeing here right now. We still are an approximately, like I told you before, 2.2% away from our price target, and I still think that the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation will be seeing this target getting reached here. So I do expect right now still that Ethereum is going to show us a little bit of weakness in the imminent short term as well. If you're looking at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see here previous resistance got found over here. And right now we're getting once again a daily rejection by this level. We have been not able to break through this level yet here. And of course, if you're going to zoom in on this chart towards the 4 hourly candles, you can see as well the daily resistance has been providing very, very, very strong resistance as well on the 4-hour candles. So yeah, once again, we're seeing the significance. So resistance, and rejected over there. So I do think this is going to be an extreme import level to break through, but I do as well already see that we got some massive rejections by this level. And as soon, guys, as we are going to close, let's say a 4-hourly candle below this candle over here, we'll be approaching it as, okay, we failed to hold on to support, and we could be maybe see lower targets getting reached here. But as long as we're trading above this level, I do still expect if we're going to see this target getting reached here, it comes together with our price target, of course, of this ascending triangle. I do expect that we are going to see at least some very strong support for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin getting found over there. So yeah, looking forward towards that as well. Still going to discuss this, guys. The Ethereum 4-hourly chart here, where it looks to be that we're as well running into some very critical levels of resistance, and we have been seeing several times major rejections on Ethereum right now here. So what you can see here is this yellow line here. And if I'm going to go back here towards the previous time here, of course, this was April 2021 here, we have been seeing this very significant resist line as well here. So you can see over here, previous resistance, previous support. And if we're right now, of course, going back towards the time that we're right now trading on, you can see this yellow line over here has been as well providing us the strong resistance over here. And right now we're finding once again on this exact 4-hourly candle as well a major correction by this level. So yeah, I personally will be still anticipate this level as a major resistance for Ethereum to break here. What will be very important for Ethereum to do, a 4-hourly candle close above this level. Since this is 4-hour resistance, if we're going to be able to close the 4-hourly candle above this level, I will be anticipating higher price targets getting reached here. And still, I will be saying as well, then we have been confirming a breakout of the symmetrical triangle, and we could be heading towards this target of the 4.1 thousand US dollars, for $4,180 US. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on that one. And it's going to be very important where Ethereum is going to head towards in the coming hours. Right now, if we're looking to some momentum indicators, you can see right now the MACD is losing buying strength. The money flow index is in a downtrend currently. So let's see how this is going to result here. We're still seeing the momentum indicators moving down here on the 4-hourly candles, but that is usually what you see if you're in such a significant lag up here. There is going to become a turning point. We don't know when here. Maybe it's going to first be a retest of the 40,000 US dollars here. Sorry, the 4,180 US dollars retest maybe before moving the momentum towards the downside. But let's see how this will be reacting. I will be basing all my trades because of this symmetrical triangle. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on that one for sure as well, guys. Quickly going to talk about it. What do I want to be expecting here? Of course, the fear and greed index right now on the Bitcoin market is right now sitting on the 79 index here. Of course, this is right now giving me an index and giving me right now a vision. Okay, we are getting pretty greedy. So usually once the market is very greedy, I want to be a little bit more fearful. Of course, this is usually as well providing us a correction in the market once we are getting greedy, because if you look back to the historical a fear and greed index. Always once we're sitting high in the greed, tend to see a correction, and once we're sitting very low in the fear, so once we're sitting basically in fear, we tend to see an increase in evaluation. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards this as well. Of course, this is once again a very lacking indicator. It could be taking several weeks before Bitcoin or Ethereum is going to correct here, but for sure I want to be raising the awareness about it right now here as well. A very important other thing to discuss right now here is, of course, the funding rates here. And this, of course, getting me a little bit worried here because I already explained it here on my Twitter page. And that's also one of these reasons to follow me right now here on Twitter. But I was explaining, guys, okay, you have to be knowing this. The funding rates are right now going up here, and we saw this as well in the beginning of 2021 here. This happens because too many traders are in huge profits. What right now is also true because everyone is trading long, almost no one is trading short, and that's the reason why the funding rates have to be covering the long positions, of course. So the shortest So the shortest can't cover the longs anymore. If the funding rates keep going up here, this means that the whales will be having more influence on the market. And the reason why I'm saying this here is because the higher the funding rates are, basically, is the more people that are in a long position. And the more people that will be in a long position means the bigger a long squeeze can be here, so the bigger a correction will be. And if you're looking back to Bitcoin, basically, guys, this is a quick explanation about it. I want to be, of course, including this in the analysis. Always once the funding rates are sitting high, we see a correction. Of course, due of this correction, we are seeing funding rates dropping off here once again because people are getting shaken out of their long positions here. So that's very important to know here. And what you can see right now here is that the funding rates are running up pretty high right now. So, of course, it's another indicator to be a little bit more careful right now in the market. But still, I will be taking this trade anytime soon here on the market. So, yeah, guys, I was as well explaining that volatility is likely to increase since of course the higher funding rates right now here. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards it at least here, because it's definitely going to be a huge move going to be imminent for either Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. So as well, last thing that I'm going to discuss on today's update video, and the last analysis that I'm going to give right now is, of course, on the daily time frame. So still going to say this, daily time frame is going to be a lacking indicator, and of course, the longer we are going to see Ethereum forming these bearish divergence, the more likely it's going to be Ethereum is going to go off anytime soon here. So still going to be raising the awareness. Ethereum is still creating a huge bearish divergence right now on the daily time frame, and this is going to be very interesting on how we are going to, of course, analyze and how this will be reacting, because we have been literally gone up here for an approximately 48 days straight here, 150% increasement. Usually after seeing such a long period of only green prices, you tend to see, of course, minor corrections, and a correction in a bull market is completely healthy, because we need a correction to, first of all, shake out the weekends, and as well to not let everyone be in such a huge profit on their trades here, because that is usually not very healthy. So yeah, we need a shakeout for the weekends right now, and the $4,000 will be very strong resistance for that here. But for me, I will be mainly looking at the 1 hourly candles right now here for Ethereum to monitor what's going to happen on the imminent short term, because yes, a correction that can be happening is, of course, a little bit on the higher time frame, and this is, of course, on the lower time frame. So yeah, if you want to be finding out about the next imminent move here, it's going to be either a move towards the upside or towards the downside of the symmetrical triangle. If you want to be finding out about what is happening on the daily time frame, you, of course, want to be paying attention to the divergence. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching to this new amazing update video here on Ethereum. So make sure as well that you're going to smash up the like right now here. It will be truly amazing if you can be right now smashing up that like button here. Guys, of course, the more people that are going to like it, the more viral this content is going here. And as well, let me know right now in the comment section. Say 1, 2, 3 in the chat if you watched till the end here. Big shout out to you, of course. And I will see you guys in the next video here on this channel to bring out another update. Peace out.